For the first hairstyle, it's gonna be something so cute and easy. And all you're gonna do is we're just going to take her size right here. And we're literally just gonna take it in 3 sections and do a cute little braid. Like nothing crazy. Just braiding it so easy in a 3-strand braid. If you want, you can pull the braid out, but I kind of want it to be tighter. And then once you do that, then you're going to put a rubber band on it. Sometimes if you've seen all those TikToks that you can keep braiding and it kind of braids itself into itself and you don't have to rubber band it, you can do that too. But so she's gonna have one braid right there. And then we're going to do another braid on this side. And I'm kind of like angling it back a little bit because if you angle it too down, then it's like a bump when you like pull it back. So I'm kind of angling the braid a little bit back. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna take, gotta hide that somehow. It's like hanging down. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna make a cute bun here. We're gonna put it in a pony, and then the third one we're gonna halfway pull it through and just kind of poof that out a little bit. And then once we do that, then we're gonna take these 2 cute braids and we're just gonna rubber band them together. And then we're just going to cross it over and pull it through that bun. And kind of pull it through like so. And then just kind of loosen these up. And then if you want, you can just leave those there, or you can even just take these out. And then I'm just gonna take this guy and I'm gonna wrap it around like so. And then I'm gonna pull it through this rubber band here. Like that. But there you have the first easy active hairstyle. Now for the second easy active hairstyle, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this cute little bungee here and we're gonna take half of her hair like so. We're gonna take half of it, leave it out, and then we're gonna take this half. She has extensions that are really grown out, so we are gonna maneuver those. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna hide that, so just kind of get the hair to go over the extension. And we're gonna take the bungee. We're gonna wrap the bungee around like so. And kind of tighten up that pony. So what we're gonna do next is we're going to take this hair and we're gonna do a pony. Sorry, I know you're sweating so bad. I think I hate you. And then we're gonna loosen that, or we're gonna do a little topsy-turvy, like so. And then we're gonna just twist this guy And we're gonna pull it through the pony like that. And kind of tighten that up. Then same thing with this side. We're gonna make a loose pony. And we're gonna topsy-turvy this guy. Loosen him up. And then turn him and pull it through the pony. And then tighten him up. And then now we'll just kind of loosen everything up a little. But there you have a fun little pony that looks so cute. Perfect for a pickleball day. In a sweat outfit at 110. Okay guys, we're here for the final hairstyle of the active line. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take her hair in a cute, we're gonna leave these cute little bangs out. We're gonna take her hair and do it in a low pony right here. And then we're going to just do a little pull through. We're gonna split this and we're gonna pull it through and just kind of loosen this up a little bit. But I feel like it would be so cute with a visor or with nothing. And it's so easy. And same with this side, leave her bangs out. And then just take a little, crap, sorry, these are connected sometimes, they get stuck together. And again, make it loose. So when you do the pull through, you'll have enough room to flip it over. And we're just gonna pull that through, like so. And just tighten it up there. We're gonna tighten this one up a little more. But it's just a fun little cute ponies. I feel like that is so cute and fun. Thank you so much for watching this cute little active hairstyles. And don't forget to comment below and tell me what you want to see next. And we'll see you next time.